Hi guys, this is Dr. G here, and in this very short video, we will talk about the oxidative cleavage of alkynes. So before starting the discussion of oxidative cleavage of alkynes, I would like to recommend you to go back and revisit the video on cleavage reactions on alkenes, because for those reactions we used reagents like ozone and potassium permanganate to cleave the double bond of alkenes. Okay, so that knowledge will be extremely helpful in understanding this reaction. Okay, so basically let's talk about oxidative cleavage of alkynes. Okay, for these you are using a strong oxidizing agent such as ozone or potassium permanganate. Okay, so what happens in these reactions is that you are going to basically cleave the double bond. You are going to cut through the, you are going to cut through the triple bond. I'm sorry. Okay, you are going to cut through the triple bond. So basically both sp hybridized carbons will have three vacant bonds, right? So let's say when you cut through the double bond, it is going to be like this. Okay, and then you have three bonds to spare. So what you do here is that you will use two bonds. Okay, you will use two bonds, and then you will attach an oxygen. You will use the other bond and attach an OH group. Okay, so that is exactly how it happens. This is exactly how it happens. Okay, so in these reactions, what you do is you will cut through the carbon-carbon triple bond, and then each carbon will get an oxygen or a carbonyl group, and the other bond will be attached to an OH. So basically you will get two carboxylic acid groups. You will get two carboxylic acid groups. Here is another example. Okay, here you have a terminal alkyne. Okay, terminal alkynes are a little bit different, and when you cut through this, okay, you will get a carboxylic acid from the R group. Okay, from the R group you will get a carboxylic acid, but the one carbon that you have in the terminal will not give you a carboxylic acid. Instead it will give you carbon dioxide. So that is unique. Okay, you might want to remember that. So if you have a terminal alkyne, when you cut through it, it will give you a carbon dioxide molecule from the terminal carbon. By the way, in alkene chemistry, we learned that ozone and potassium permanganate tend to give you different products through these cleavage reactions. But when it comes to alkynes, both potassium permanganate and ozone will act similarly. Okay, will act similarly. So let me know if you have any questions. Okay, guys, take care.